Today we are in Agnes Water and we are in the coolest accommodation ever.
If you can see behind us, you can have a guess on what we're staying and where we're staying at tonight. It's a boat! And the best thing is, all three of us can come on this adventure because it's dog friendly. So Wild's here too. What do you reckon? Want to stay on a boat tonight?
This awesome boat is actually in someone's backyard and it's called A Boat in the Bush, and you can find it on Airbnb. Is in Agnes Water and we are paying $98 per night. And let's go for a quick tour. So here we have a not very stable jetty to go inside the boat. There's an entrance. We have some pillows in which we could stay outside and enjoy the view if only it wasn't raining. There's the inside.
Can you figure it out? Can you come down the stairs? Do you know what to do?
A big potato. Here we have two couches, which could be also two beds, and there is another small bed in which a child could sleep. We have a TV, a selection of DVD, we actually my watch night. Here we have a cabinet with towels, so we didn't need to bring ours. Bug spray, environment spray, mango frangipani. Then there we have a little fridge, and here we have our bed. Dogs not allowed. It would actually be quite weird sleeping with the head in this side. Up here we have a hatch. I'm not actually sure if we can open it, but I assume so. But I think we'll get a lot of mosquitoes here tonight, so maybe we'll stay close. We also have the Wi-Fi here, and let's go to see the bathroom and the kitchen.
This is the door. This goes this way. Oh, too far. Goes in here like that. That goes over the top. Keeps the bugs out. Just a short walk. Across the jetty is the outdoor kitchen, which we have over here. The owner Bruce has been really accommodating. He's left us some Wheat Bix, some cornflakes, milk, sugar, coffee, milk's in the fridge obviously. Pretty much anything we want we can have, so thanks Bruce, legend. Got tables and chairs here, cupboard full of what I just mentioned, plates, cups, bowls, everything there. Bug spray if we need it, fridge, fresh water. Moving across, we've got the sandwich press, the hot plates, microwave, we've got the kettle, toaster, dog bowls for our dog food and our dog water, cutlery, Weber barbecue, bin. That's about it, but for an outdoor kitchen, it's awesome.
For non-Australians, Wheat Bix are the things that you eat for breakfast in the milk, and they taste exactly like carton.
But as every good Australian knows, you need to put heaps of sugar on them or Milo if you're adventurous. Directly opposite from the kitchen is the bathroom. From the outside, looks a bit ramshackle, but wait till you see inside. Ta-da! You see it's bathroom. Not much to explain. Showers there, sink, toilet, window.
I'm very fussy about bathroom, and it is actually very, very clean. And Bruce also left us some soap, some small towels, some tissues. I think it is a moisturizing cream. We have some very noisy birds here.
Fortunately for this trip, we knew we'd be a fair way from any shop, so we've come prepared to go get our groceries out, store them where we can, and get ready for the night. So, well, I've got my dinner and breakfast. Dinner.
Look at this table.
I wonder if I should just... So in this fridge, Bruce has left us bread, butter, jam, little fruit jelly cups, big 1 litre of fresh milk, lemon juice, lime juice, sauces, everything. This guy's a legend, I love him. You won't find these very easily in Woolies in Australia because we actually picked these up overseas. In Thailand, I want to say. The little sachets. You mix them with hot water, they taste just like a coffee. I don't really speak or read Thai very well, but they're a 3-in-1 coffee powder. So I assume they contain coffee, milk and some kind of creamer that when it reacts with hot water, it tastes like milk.
We have full control of the boat for the night. Of course, we can't go anywhere, but the owner is actually in the other side of the property with his house, so we are here alone.
To answer the earlier question, the hatch does not open. You can crack the windows, and this boat has aircon. I've got the perfect movie for tonight.
What is it?
Pirates of the Caribbean. Like, these are all boat themed movies. This one is like a 5-movie collection. They're all boat themed. It's got Overboard. Remember Overboard?
Oh, I want to watch Overboard. You're so anxious, Poppy. What's going on with you?
Grumpy old man.
What's going on with you? Why are you so anxious? She is made of fluff and anxiety. Mainly anxiety. To come and see this, in the bathroom there is one of the biggest spiders I have ever seen. It's behind the door. Yes, it's there.
Cool. That is awesome. And that, ladies and gentlemen, what we call a huntsman, I hope. And that he won't bite me, I hope. He's a big boy though. And he's missing 2 legs on his left side.
Maybe someone tried to kill him.
Or 1 leg. No, 2 legs. Cool.
Can you say that I've been living in Australia for a while? I'm not bothered by huge spiders anymore. Right, I was actually on my way to the kitchen to get some treats for a while because she's going crazy. What's this, puppy dog? Want a treat? Yes? She's happy I got treats. If I give you a treat, do you promise you will let me and Dad watch a movie?
I had visions of coming here and firing up my laptop and wanting to work and getting really productive because we're in the middle of the bush, so there's not much to do. But being on this boat, in the silence, in the serenity, it's so relaxing. I don't want to work, so I'm not going to. Right now we're going to chuck on a movie, relax, and then we're going to cook dinner, have a shower, watch another movie, go to bed. I'm looking forward to it. This is great. It's been so long. I can't even remember the last time we laid back, sat back and watched a movie like this. It's got to be a couple months. But it's awesome. It's completely silent outside. Every so often one of us will move and the boat will rock. It's really relaxing. It's a really nice atmosphere and it's great. I fully recommend this. Let's just say give it an 11 out of 10 experience so far. I've decided I'm hungry and I want some snacks. Kiara's volunteered to get snacks for me.
No, you're coming. Also, meanwhile it starts raining quite heavily outside.
Chippies. And wine. We just need some new glasses.
One.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Classic.
I like champagne glasses. This Nero doubled up from Sicily because this year we won't manage to go to Italy. At least we are drinking Italian wine.
Cheers. It's tucker time, dog. I'm gonna get some tucker. Get some food.
We even have a bug zapper here.
For dinner we are making, well, someone's making veggie burgers. Made out of veggies. Nothing else to say about them. Hopefully they're good. I've never tried these before, so hopefully they taste good. If not, we can always eat whatever's in the fridge.
Which is nothing.
There's bread in there. Okay.
So they are made with sweet potato, sweet corn and parsley.
$5 worth of cheese you're cutting off.
Whoever else agrees that the best part of a burger is the cheese and the chips on the side, but we don't have chips tonight.
If you want your burger, then melt the cheese. There we go.
Apparently I built the burger wrong. To be fair, I don't eat a lot of burgers.
That's not too bad. I'm going to call them boat in a bush burgers.
This is nice. We never get to do this because usually we're very comfortable in the bus and we get too lazy to go have a barbecue outside. But it's very cool. We should do this more often. Otherwise, we might as well live in a house.
That burger was great. It's surprisingly filling, tasted really good, and it was just the right amount. If I had another one, I'd be too full, but we've got chocolate cake for dessert, so I'm saving room for that.
Chocolate cake. The size of this slices is massive. It's very sweet. It is hazelnutty. If hazelnut is a word, it's good.
Chocolate cake is always good. I think I'm getting a bit old because I get this far through a chocolate cake and I start thinking, well, this is just a little bit too sweet. Either my taste buds are changing because I'm getting old, or they've dumped way too much sugar in here, or I'm just getting off sweet things. I don't know. Regardless, it's not a bad chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is always great. It's good dessert. Oh, good shower. You can check out the bed situation, see what it looks like.
Aaron just went for a shower and puppy dog here can't stop staring at the door. She has been looking at the door for the past 10 minutes. Where is it? Oh, she's happy to see you. How was the shower?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's hot.
Hot? Cool.
It's too hot. We're starting a second movie before bed. We've had a shower, obviously. Gonna watch the Pirates of the Caribbean and gonna crash out for the night. Good morning from the boat in the bush. What a great night's sleep I had. The boat had a gentle rocking motion every time someone moved. It was super quiet. And I don't know if you can tell, but it started raining a little bit last night. So we had the sound of the rain as background noise. So it was a beautiful night's sleep for me.
It was a beautiful night's sleep for you because you got most of the bed. I was squished in this much of the bed. And the dog kept moving for some reason and make noises.
Brekkie's a choice. Well, at least the start of the Brekkie's a choice. We've got some cereal from a variety pack. Yeah, bowls. Lift them up like that. Get your milk. It's hard to judge the right amount of milk. No, close enough. There's no mess, you don't even get a bowl dirty. Straight out of the packet.
We also had pancakes for breakfast, but someone forgot them in the bus.
Someone did forget them.
Yeah, you did.
Someone did.
You did.
Someone did. Butters, jams. Not easy. I'm Vegemite. Yes. Toasted Vegemite. Happy boy. It worked.
Ah, what you want?
Vegemite.
Vegemite? I want peanut butter
Boring.
and strawberry jam.
Should be done. Poor puppy. Let's get into it. Look at that. Breakfast of champions right there.
Excuse me.
That's breakfast of not champions.
If you're not Australia, don't do like Aaron with Vegemite or you will die.
That is why Kara's got to learn how to be Australian. Puppy needs breakfast too.
Spoiled puppy. We have a couple of hours to finish the Pirate of the Caribbean that we didn't finish last night. If you're wondering how Agnes Water looks like in sunny weather, that's the answer, but we're not going to see this today. We had a lot of plans for this weekend to go kayaking, to go see Agnes Water, but it's raining, the weather was quite miserable, so we'll just call it a day and go back to the bus.
But we really enjoyed our night here at the boat in the bush. It's been tops. Bruce is a great host and it's been really quiet, and apart from the dog, but other than that, it's been a really good time.
I also like to specify that this video is absolutely not sponsored. We came here, we paid for the night, and we really enjoyed. So we will leave the link to this place down below. If you come to Agnes Water, definitely come visit Bruce in A Boat in the Bush.
That's it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a subscribe, comment, share amongst your friends, and we'll see you in the next one.